What if you're not reacting to reality? What if you're creating it? Not through wishful thinking, not through luck, but through something far deeper. Your belief systems. Seth once said that your beliefs are the invisible patterns that shape your world. Think about that. Every triumph, every struggle, every reoccurring cycle in your life is not random. It's architecture. You are the architect. Your beliefs are the blueprint. So today I'm going to show you how to uncover the beliefs you don't even know you have. The ones quietly shaping your money, the ones quietly shaping your relationships, the ones quietly shaping your confidence and your future. Get ready to unlock the reality you actually desire. Now, we are taught that life happens to us. You just have to play the hand you're dealt. But Seth flips that idea upside down. See, according to Seth, you don't receive reality, you generate reality. Your beliefs are not harmless thoughts. They're programming. They're instructions to the universe. You get what you concentrate upon. There is no other main rule. So ask yourself, are your beliefs building your reality, or are your beliefs limiting it? Now, let's talk about the subconscious belief system. You see, these are beliefs that you absorb from childhood, society, trauma, religion, school, and you accepted them without question. Beliefs like, I have to struggle to succeed. Beliefs like, good things, well, they just don't happen for people like me. Beliefs like, it's dangerous to want more. These beliefs become your default settings, and reality mirrors them back to you again and again. Until you change the belief, the pattern repeats. When someone believes they're unlovable, they attract partners who confirm it. When someone believes money is scarce, they sabotage every chance to receive it. When someone believes life supports them, suddenly opportunities appear. It looks like magic. But Seth explains it as belief directing perception. You don't see the world as it is. You see the world as you believe it to be. Now here's where it gets practical. Identify the belief. What negative story keeps repeating in my life? Ask that question. Next, interrupt the belief. Whose belief was this originally? Was it mine, or was it someone else's? Third, replace the belief. Speak a new statement that feels true and empowering. Something like, life supports me. Something like, I am safe to receive. Something like, I create my reality and I choose differently. You are not trying to force positivity. You're simply writing a new script. Once you choose better beliefs, something incredible happens. Reality bends. Not because the world changed, but because you did. You become the creator, not the passenger. So let me leave you with Seth's most powerful truth. You create your reality. There is no exception to this rule. Now, if you're ready to unlock your reality, type it in the comments below. I choose new beliefs. Other than that, I am Tony Victory, a wolf uncaged. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Until the next time, and of course, thank you to all the people who have supported the channel through Buy Me a Coffee. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Until the next time, peace. If you found something in this video that sparked a thought, shifted your perspective, or just made you feel more grounded, consider showing some love by buying me a coffee. It helps fuel the channel, keeps the uploads coming, and lets me know that the content matters to you. The link's right below in the description or on my channel banner. No pressure, just appreciation if you're moved to support. And as always, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I am Tony Victory, a wolf uncaged. Thank you. Peace.